Begin with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Here is Kalimullah. Today I will teach you about that. What is the main difference between it and this? So first of all, I will teach you it from the grammatical perspective. Then I will teach you from a logical one. This is basically singular third person pronoun. If we look to, on the other hand, this, this is basically a demonstrative singular pronoun, while it is basically singular third person pronoun. So here it is clear like what is the grammatical difference between it and this. Now we will come to the logical difference, like it only identifies the particular word or object. Now if we look to, on the other hand, this, it introduces the particular word or object. Like how, if we come to here the examples, like our concern is with this example. Example number 2. This is a book, it is written by. So here the person, what is he is doing? He is trying to introduce the book, like a person who is a stranger and he doesn't know about that whether it is a book or not book. So the person who is giving him an answer, so he simply say, this is a book. So it means that this introduces, and it is written by. Now here what is he doing? He is specifying, he is identifying, he specifies that particular book, like this is a book, this is a business information technology book. So I introduce that this is a book. Now what I am doing is that I am specifying it, that whether I am outing that, like that it is written by M. Khalid. I have wrote it here. So this is one difference. I will give another example, like people often confuse with it. It is a pen, or this is a pen. People are confused with it, like whether this is a pen is right or it is a pen is right. So a person, as I have given an example to you, so I am now coming to make it more specified. It is a pen. So here the person is trying to specify that, like it is a pen. If a lay person says like that, it is a pen or it is a marker. So what he wants to say, he actually wants to say like it is a pen. He is outing that pen. And if a person is saying this is a pen, so what he actually tries to do? He actually tries to do is that he is introducing that particular marker or pen. Now, if we come to like, and again this example, so we call it, we use a special word for this, like antecedent. I have given example here. Ali is a boy. He is very intelligent. So what I am doing is that here Ali is a boy. This is a general paragraph structure. Whenever we want to discuss something, like if first of all if we talking about a singular person, So first we use noun. This is a common structure of a paragraph. Then we give reference to him with a pronoun. So we say Ali is a boy, he is very intelligent. So this structure is, we consider it, this structure is, here the Ali word is antecedent of the pronoun he. Got it? Now we have another case here, the third example. Allama Iqbal was a genius man. Now we are referring to that man, Allama Iqbal, with his quality. Like what we saying? We're saying the national poet of our country. So this quality, let me more clarify, this quality to which we refer to him, like the national poet. Who is the national poet? Allama Iqbal. Which case is this? This is an apposition case. An apposition case. This is all about the difference between it and this. And okay, so what is the next point here? The next point is this. Like it we also use for a thing which is not present, which is not in front of us. Like how I am giving you a simple example. Like we say that it was an outstanding ceremony. We do not say like this was an outstanding ceremony. We use this for particular when a thing is near with us. As you may know about that, this is a demonstrative pronoun and the plural of this is these. So we say